Let's go to the Mount Fuji Panoramic Ropeway. If you're ready for some breathtaking vistas and an unforgettable experience, buckle up. We're about to take you on a ride. So, you're now floating high above the Five Lakes region, with panoramic views of the majestic Mount Fuji stretching out before you. The Mount Fuji Panoramic Ropeway takes you up to an elevation of about 1,000 meters, offering one of the best views of this iconic peak. It's like getting a VIP pass to the best show in town. The ropeway, officially known as the Kashikashi Ropeway, is named after the Kashikashi mountain legend. According to the tale, a clever rabbit outwits a wicked raccoon and a fox, and the name Kashikashi refers to the sound of the rabbit's beating drum. Pretty cool, right? As you descend, take in the stunning views of the Five Lakes: Kawaguchi, Yamanaka, Sai, Shoji, and Motusu. These lakes are famous for their reflection of Mount Fuji and are perfect spots for outdoor activities like boating and hiking. Once you reach the top, you'll find an observation desk with panoramic views that are simply spectacular. On clear days, you can see Mount Fuji in all its glory, along with the surrounding countryside and lakes. It's a fantastic spot for photos, so make sure to have your camera ready. And here is a tip: for the best experience, try to visit early in the morning or late in the afternoon. The lighting is softer and the views are often clearer. If you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji with a magical pink sunrise or a golden sunset. Before you descend, take a stroll around the area and check out the small souvenir shops and cafes. Grab a snack and soak in the beauty of the surroundings. It's the perfect way to round off your sky-high adventure. Don't forget to tag us at Pocket Explorer with your amazing picture. And, of course, au revoir and keep exploring.